Hello students! As we are studying about data types and in last video we studied about elementary data types. Hence here we are going to study about more data types and their sizes. So firstly let's move forward. Data types in Visual Basic 6. First type is numeric. It includes byte, and it stores integer values within the range of 0 to 255. Integer. It stores integer values within the range of minus 32768 to plus 32767. Long. And it stores integer values in the range of minus 214748348 to plus 214748348. Single. And it stores floating point value in the range of minus 3.4 into 1038 minus plus 3.4 into 1038. Double. And it stores large floating value which exceeding the single data type value. Currency. It stores monetary values. It supports 4 digits to the right of decimal point and 15 digits to the left. Next is string. As we discussed in the last lecture, it is used to store alphanumeric values. A variable length string can store approximately 4 billion characters. Third one is date. This data type is used to store date and time values. A variable declared as date data type can store both date and time values, and it can store date values ranging from 100 to 12 31 9999. Next is Boolean. Boolean data types are another category. They hold true or false value. These are not stored as numeric values and cannot be used as such. Values are internally stored as 1 for true and 0 for false, and any non-zero value is considered as true. Last one is variant. It stores any type of data and is the default Visual Basic data type. In Visual Basic, if we declare a variable without any data type by default, the data type is assigned as default. Now, let's discuss another data type, enumerations. An enumeration is a numeric data type. It is an ordered list of distinct values. If we want to take small number of symbolic values, enumeration is used. For example, a variable emp type can have 3 possible values representing fresher, junior, senior. In older languages as Fortran or COBOL, 3 variables needed to be used for 3 distinct values which were treated as integers then. However, the languages such as C, Pascal, and Ada include an enumeration data type that allows programmer to define and manipulate such variables directly. The programmer defines both the literal names to be used for variables and ordering using declarations such as in C language. Enum emp type, fresh, junior, senior. Each value in enumeration sequence is represented at runtime by integer values as 0, 1, 2. In C, the default values for enumeration can be overridden as enum emp type, fresh is equal to 2, junior is equal to 5, senior is equal to 8. However, in Pascal, enum can be specified as type class is equal to fresh, junior, senior. Next category, structured data types. A data object that is constructed as an aggregate of other data objects called components is termed as a structured data object or data structure. A component may be elementary or it may be another data structure. The structured data types include vectors, arrays, records, lists, stacks, etc. So, first of all, let's discuss vectors and arrays. Vectors and arrays are the most common type of data structures. An array is a data structure composed of fixed number of components of same type organized in linear sequence. Homogeneous data structure. We cannot delete any element from array. A vector is also termed as one-dimensional array or linear array, but it can store different type of data and its size can vary. A component of vector can be assessed by giving its subscript giving the position of the component in the sequence. A typical declaration for a vector in the Pascal declaration is v colon minus 5 to 5 of real. That defines a vector of 11 components, each a real number, where components are selected by subscripts minus 5, minus 4, 2, plus 5. In C, the declaration of one-dimensional array is int a 10 semicolon. However, an array may be extended to any number of dimensions termed as multi-dimensional array. It can be considered as vector of vectors. A two-dimensional array has its components in form of grid of rows and columns. In Pascal, declaration of 2D array is done as b colon array 1 to 10 minus 5 to 5 of real, b colon array 1 to 10 comma minus 5 to 5 of real. Selection of an array component requires two subscripts for each dimension. In C, 2D array is declared as int a 10 10 semicolon and component is selected using two subscripts. For example, a 5 6 selects the component at 5th row and 6th column. Next is record. A record is a data structure composed of fixed number of components of different types. Heterogeneous data structure. The components of records called fields may be heterogeneous. In C, a record is declared as structure. For example, struct student. Int roll number semicolon. Character data type variable name with capacity 10. Character type name of variable department. This declaration declares a record of type student consisting of three components: roll number, name, and department. Now, move towards list. A list is a data structure composed of an ordered data structure. It grows and shrinks dynamically during program execution. It can be heterogeneous or homogeneous. A list item is a primitive element that is usually of fixed size. It has usually two fields named value and next pointer. The first pointer is a head pointer pointing to the first element of the list. List items are connected to each other using pointers. The Lisp syntax represents a typical list structure as function, name, data1, data2 up to data n. In C++, the list is represented as abstract data type known as linked list with structures as basic components. The typical declaration of the linked list is as follows: struct node, int data semicolon. Struct node pointer next, which points towards the location. Next is size of different data types. As given in table, character have size 1 byte. Its range is -128 to 127. Unsigned character have range 0 to 255. Next signed character is same as character. Different data types and their sizes. More types and their sizes you can see in the table. So, in this topic we studied about meaning of data types, its different types, and their size. Hope you understood it well. Thank you.